Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Today's this lecture is conducted by Pallavi ma'am. Pallavi ma'am is well-known teacher of geography. She completes her MPhil degree with PG in geography, and today today's this session is will be conducted by Pallavi ma'am. So I request Pallavi ma'am, please be continue the lecture. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good evening. So my board is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I start?
मला माहित नव्हतं.
Hello, good evening, student. Today we are going to see the basic things which are very important in geography. Students, please mute from your side. There should be no disturbance. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Am I clearly audible to you? Yes? Students, am I clearly audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now first of all, we should know about the physical features and the important things which we should know in geography. Actually, here in geography, the most important things we are studying about the physical feature. You know how many physical features are there? Yes?
5.
Plain plateaus and mountains.
Yes. Total how many there?
5.
See, actually here total we have 6 physical features. How many physical features we have? 6. Okay, so we'll start from the mountain region. So here the Great Himalaya. This is the most important and the first important physical feature. After that, we will go to the downside. Can you tell me the next physical feature?
Plains.
Yes, very good. Plains. Okay. Chalo. Now next.
Peninsula.
No.
Plateau.
Actually, when we are coming from top to bottom, so here first of all we have to see the mountain. After that, below that mountain, that plain area. Exactly in the northwestern side, we have a desert part. Okay. So desert is also the important physical feature. After that desert, we will come. Yes, now plateau will come. Okay. After plateau.
Island.
Yes. But before that, okay, first of all, we have to see and we have to think about the coastal line. Okay, so eastern coastal and western coastal. So first of all, the coastal. This is the next physical feature. This is the fifth. Okay, the fifth physical feature, that is the coastal line. Okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.
And the last we have, yes, the last physical feature.
Island.
Yes. Okay, island. Now we will see about this. The first important physical feature, that is the Himalaya. Okay, you know about Himalaya? How the Himalaya is divided?
3 parts.
Sorry?
3 parts.
Okay. Can
Ma'am,
you tell me which are the?
Himalayan and
Himadri and
Great
Shivalik.
Himalaya.
Okay. See, listen. Actually, here this Himalaya, the Himalaya mountain or the Great Himalaya, it is divided. That actually the latitudinal extension, that is different, and the longitudinal extension, that is different. So latitudinal extension, okay, latitudinal extension, as you just now you said, like here the topmost range of Himalaya, that is called as Great Himadri. Okay, so Himadri is the first range. After that we will come downside, that is called as Lesser Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and one more name it has. Can you tell me?
Trans-Himalaya.
Sorry?
Shivaliks.
No.
Trans-Himalaya.
No, listen. See, first of all, this is the first important, that is the Great Himalaya. It is called as Himadri. We are just discussing about the first range, that is Himadri. Okay, Himadri is the topmost range, topmost mountain, and many of the highest mountains are located here in the Himadri. Do you
हम
get it?
हिमालय के आगे वाला दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, कैमरे के बाहर जा रहा है.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Great Himadri. So most of the mountains are located here in Himadri. Yes. So topmost range. This is the topmost range of Himalaya. Now after that we will come to the next part, that is Middle Himalaya. Now Middle Himalaya, also known as Lesser Himalaya. You are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So this Middle Himalaya is also called as Lesser Himalaya. Okay. Now after that, downside. Yes, the last mode, that is Shivalik. Okay, the last mode, it's called as Shivalik. Shivalik. Okay, so this is the latitudinal extension. You know the latitudinal extension? Latitude means what? Yes, you know the latitudes?
Yes, ma'am.
You might have studied, Hannah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, actually here like this, latitudinal extension. So this is the division of Himalaya according to latitudinal extension. Now if you are talking about the longitudinal extension, so on the basis of river, how it is divided, that particular Himalaya, it is divided into different parts, like Punjab Himalaya, like Kumaon Himalaya. Okay, so here like this, the Himalaya, it is divided. Means here the Himalaya mountain, the Great Himalaya, it is divided into two parts. The latitudinal extension and another one is longitudinal extension. Okay, now we will come down to the plain area. Okay, as you all know, the flat area, it is called as plain area. Actually here the plain area is the most fertile land, is the most fertile part of our country, India. Yes. So here exactly downside. You know how this plain area is formed? Actually, most important. Yes, the river Indus, Yamuna and Ganga. Okay, these three most important rivers has formed this land. Okay, it's called as plains. Just now I said that plain area. Okay, plain area is the most important fertile land. Is the most fertile land. Actually, here many of the perennial rivers are flowing over here. Okay, you know that what is perennial river?
The rivers which flow throughout the year.
Yes, very good. The river which flows throughout the year, it is called as perennial river. Okay, this river never get dry. Why is it so?
It
Ma'am,
gets water
because
from
they are made up of glaciers, means the water supply from which they are
Yes, we
the water
cannot say
supply.
like this.
big
We
glaciers.
cannot. Okay. See, we cannot say it is like this. River made up of that glacier. Actually, many of the rivers like here Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, actually here the two glaciers are there. That Gangotri and Yamunotri. Okay, so Gangotri glacier, this river glacier, it fed the water to the river Ganga. Okay, and here Yamunotri glacier fed the water to the river Yamuna. That is why this river, okay. And here, other than this river, the rivers are tributaries. Actually, these rivers are getting watered by these glaciers, okay. And that is why this river never get dry. And opposite side, if we just now we have discussed about this perennial river. So here opposite side in the plateau region, there are the seasonal river. Okay, another name for this seasonal river, they are called as, can you tell me? So one is perennial and another one is seasonal. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here that actually perennial river, it never get dry. But what about the seasonal river?
Non-perennial river.
Actually, here, this seasonal river are getting the water through the rain only. Okay. So here we cannot say these rivers are flowing throughout the year. That's seasonal river. Okay. For example, just now we have
Peninsular
discussed.
rivers.
Yes, peninsular. Very good. So these are called as peninsular river. Okay. When we are discussing about this peninsular river, so here Ganga, Yamuna, then here Indus, then Brahmaputra, Satluj, yes, Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab. Many these are the perennial river. I think you might have heard the term that is tributaries. It related to the rivers. Can you tell me what does it mean?
Small parts of river divides into small parts. These are known as tributaries of the river.
Ma'am, many small rivers which join together to form a greater river.
Main source of river. Very good. Okay, what's your name? Just now you gave the answer, right? See, your answer is correct. Okay. See, actually here these small streams are formed. See, this small streams are joined together to form main source of river. It is called as tributaries. And earlier you said you gave that answer now.
That is
When the rivers
distributed.
actually here that main source of river, it is divide or distribute into small stream. They are called as distributaries. When they distribute into many streams, that is okay. So these term is called as distributary. So distributaries means what? In this feature, the river distribute into many streams. They are called as distributary. Yes, and here tributaries means what? The small streams form main source of river. So it is called as, yes,
Tributaries.
tributaries. Can you tell me some examples of these tributaries? Tributaries.
Ma'am, Yamuna river.
Yamuna river is a tributary
Yamuna-
of Ganga. Okay.
Yes.
See, actually here that Ganga river has 10 tributaries. 10 tributaries. Okay. So here that Ganga river, as you all know, it flows in northern part of India. So here like Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Son, then Ravi. Okay. And here so this are the rivers. Okay, these are the rivers are called as tributaries. Okay, which form the main source of river Ganga. Okay, which form the main source of river Ganga. You know the longest river of northern part?
Ganga.
Brahmaputra river.
Ganga. But you know that Indus is, hello? You know
Yes.
that Indus has a long course as compared to Ganga. But actually here, if you're talking about in our country India, so Ganga has the longest course. Okay, in our country India. Can you tell me? Hello?
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Indus also goes to Pakistan, no? Means which one goes to Pakistan? Means border.
Indus
Indus.
River. Indus River.
Okay,
Actually,
ma'am.
Indus River originated from there only. Okay, when it entered in our country India, from Pakistan to India. Actually, Indus has the longest course as compared to Ganga. But actually, in our country India, originally, yes, the Ganga has the longest course. But can you tell me in the southern part of India or in peninsular region, yes, one river, it also called as the Ganga of Peninsula.
Godavari.
Yes,
Godavari.
why it is called as peninsular of why it is called as that the Ganga of peninsular?
It's the highest river in peninsula.
Is it so? It's the highest.
I mean longest.
Is it so? Can we say this longest? Yes, Godavari is longest as we can say in a plateau region. But actually here as Ganga
And it
river,
provides water to the cities around
Many
it, like
very
same
good. Actually, here that Godavari river, it just provides the water to the many part of the peninsular region. That is why we are calling as a Ganga. Okay, to which that Godavari river. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what we have learned? We have learned about the Himalaya. Okay, and the divisions of Himalaya, that latitudinal extension and the longitudinal extension. Then we have discussed about this, the most important, that latitudinal extension, like Himadri. Just now I said. Yes, can you tell me the highest mountain of the world?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. Yes, very good. Can you tell me the height of Mount Everest?
8,832.
Sorry?
884.
Ma'am, around
480.
8,800.
8,848.
Yes, 8,848. Okay. Actually, here this is the highest mountain of the world. And can you tell me the highest mountain of India?
K2.
Mount Kanchenjunga.
Yes. Can you
Kanchenjunga.
tell me where it is located?
Subai.
Sikkim.
Ma'am, Subai.
Nepal.
Yes, it is located in Sikkim. Okay.
Sikkim.
You know that the most important thing about Sikkim, Sikkim is called as the sandwich, okay, between Bhutan and Nepal. Okay, two countries. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That Sikkim has a small part, right? So here that the Sikkim become the sandwich. If suppose, if question came in exam, okay, which state is called as a become sandwich between two countries? So here you have to write about Sikkim. Sikkim became a sandwich between two countries, that Nepal and Bhutan. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, here the Kanchenjunga is the most highest mountain. It is located in Sikkim. Okay.
Sikkim.
Yes.
Subai is not. Hello.
Huh?
Subai is not India.
Sorry.
Subai is not big.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Hello, be clear.
आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
Can you hear me? Hello.
मैम वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
मैम अटक रहा है पूरा. स्क्रीन अटक रही है.
Hello.
मैम अटक रहा है तभी.
ब्रेक
No,
हो रहा
ma'am,
है.
your voice is breaking.
हेलो मैम
ब्लैक दिख रहा है पूरा.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I'm in. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you were saying something. You were asking something. Yes. Come to the point. Yes, Shreya, you can ask me. You have any doubt?
yes ma'am I am asking you Subai is not highest and biggest in India Everest
Which?
For
No,
Subai.
Mount Everest is not located in India, beta. Okay, Mount Everest is located in Nepal.
Okay.
Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Okay, this is the highest mountain of the world. And it has a height at 8,848 meters. Okay, when we are talking about India, so here Kanchenjunga is the most highest mountain. Okay, It's the highest mountain, beta. Understood?
And its
Yes, sir.
height is 8,586.
And it is located in Sikkim.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, what type of questions will frame from this context?
Like, see, they will ask you that tributaries. Suppose, for example, they will give that one example. Okay, so this is the tributary of river Ganga. So you have to select the correct option. They maybe ask you the latitudinal extension of this Himalaya. Okay, they will ask you the different parts, that perennial river, like seasonal river. Are you getting me? Or they will ask you about that
Yes,
Mount
ma'am.
Everest, the height of Mount Everest, and the highest mountain of India. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
They will ask you the basic knowledge. As see, we have already learned about that. 6 to 10. Okay, any question can come. Any question can come in exam. Yes? Okay, can we continue with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So as just now we have discussed about this mountain, right? Now here we'll go to the next point, that is desert area. It is located in the western part, northwestern part of India. Can you tell me that in our country India, that the desert, okay, it has one specific name.
Marushtali.
Yes. Sorry?
Marushtali.
It's a Thar desert.
Sahara.
Okay. No, this is Thar only, okay, which is located in our country, India. This is Thar desert. But when we are talking about Sahara desert, so it's located in where? In which country?
Ma'am, any country.
Sahara desert, where it is located?
Africa.
Yes, it is
Africa.
located in Africa. This is the largest desert, okay? It's a hot and dry desert. In our country, India, we have two types